Hello, my name is Tina Patterson and I'm a board certified behavior analyst. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the most important factors for getting school officials to give your child services that they need to improve in the schools. What I have found over 18 years is that the single most important factor that will help school officials provide interventions and services that your child needs is data. Now, it's not as big as it sounds. It really is simply tracking social skills and problem behaviors. Now, the document I would recommend that you use for tracking is called an ABC form. The document on your screen shows ABCs in different columns. Now, the term ABC stands for antecedent, behavior, and consequence. Now, those terms are important because the school officials will know that you need to know what you're talking about with that language. The first three columns on the form are antecedents. The first column is the setting, the second column is the activity, and the third column is the triggering event. All three columns are antecedents, in other words, variables that come before a behavior. The next column is the behavior column, and you can track social skill behaviors or problem behaviors. This is followed by the time column, which talks about the beginning and ending time of any behavior, how long it occurs, and it tells us the difference between two behaviors. The last column are consequences, which simply mean any environmental variable that follows a problem behavior. Now let's take a look at a completed ABC form. Now remember, you can personalize this for your own kiddo. You'll notice that there are codes circled in every column that represent what is happening in the moment. Look on line 1. This child is demonstrating a problem behavior in the kitchen during mealtime following a task request. They demonstrated task refusal, and the time was 7:30 a.m. to 7:35 a.m., and the parent gave a verbal correction. See how easy that is? So, why am I recommending an ABC form? Well, because it collects so many different variables that are important to establishing what your child is doing over time. Now, you can do this, but how many of them do you need? Well, you'll probably need one for every day, at least for 30 days. Bring this information with you to meetings with the school officials and show them that you have been diligently taking data. And when you're able to show that the data means something over time, the interventions from schools will follow. Now, if you would like a copy of an ABC form, please send me an email to tinapattersonbcba@gmail.com. And please be sure to like me on Facebook, Tina Patterson BCBA. There are a few gold nuggets on there for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to look for our next video.